Yeah, you're going to see a lot of video about Save Club, especially from this kid dressed all in yeller. Okay. Guys, Save Club is something you need to look in now. We have a 30 to 45 day window to get you signed up, locked in as an affiliate and a member. Okay. If you're already in LiveGood, you know the success story. Those who joined within the 45 days of December 13th, 2022, those who joined around January, February, okay, they're the ones that built the greatest downlines. And it's because he who joins first gets cities, states, and countries signed up underneath them. Okay, right now, Save Club, it is the same software, credit card processing, the same template as LiveGood. The only difference is Save Club has 2 million places that you're already shopping that you're going to save a lot of money. Okay, I have a list. You can look all this up later, but I'm just talking to you right now that might have joined LiveGood or you're in my LiveGood team. You need to join now. Okay, I can't be any more serious. All right, if you're watching this video 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the road, you're still okay. But right now, the chances of you having real good success as an affiliate where people sign up underneath you are quite high because we're only within the first week of debut in the pre-launch. The pre-launch. All right, I'm talking like I'm from Texas, evidently. Okay, so I can't promise you riches. I always go like this. These are my quotation marks with my little fingies that I pick my nose with. Okay. All right, results, are they typical? I don't know. Are you going to work as hard as I do? Do you like to screw off and make video? Do you like to invite people to click something to watch something? Hell yeah, you do. All right, the way that I train, I make it simple, fun, and very cheap, because I'm cheap. Ask any girl that takes me out on a date. That's right, I put out for almost free. All right, you got to buy me at least a Slurpee. Oh, I'm kidding. You don't even have to buy me a Slurpee. Just give me a pack. Give me a stick of gum. Okay. Guys, this is what I mean about keeping things simple. This is what I did with LiveGood to sign up well over 400 people. I'll have 500 by summer, end of summer. I'm going to do the same thing in Piggyback, Save Club, as I did LiveGood. And if you don't know what LiveGood is, don't worry about it. Okay? It's 2 years into its birth, and 2 million people have signed up. Okay? A lot of people from LiveGood, they're hurrying and signing up with Save Club, especially because it's the same software, the same design, almost the same website other than logo and obviously colors and some other stuff. I love who? I want you to say it out loud every video. Who do you love? All right, you love your mama, you love your daddy. Maybe you love yourself. Give yourself a kiss right now. Come on, just hug yourself. Just kiss your hand. Remember guys, practicing kissing your hand before that date with Peggy Sue? Or was it Lulu? I love saveclub.com. I want you to go there and you're going to check out this video. It's a YouTube video. It's by the founder. It's about 6 minutes. It's going to tell you more things, go in depth about Save Club. It's cheap, guys. $60 one time to be an affiliate, $19.97 a month. You can join for the year and be a VIP as well. And obviously you're going to make more money if you do that. Then you don't have to worry about the pain in the ass monthly payment of $19.97 anyway. Okay, so go to ilovesaveclub.com. Watch this video. Now, off to the right, you're going to put your name, email, and info here. Click Secure My Position. I want you to secure it. You're going to get a nice email. All right, and we're going to do webinars. I'm going to send you an email about a webinar that's already been produced. It's about 35 minutes that goes into greater detail about Save Club. Okay, and when you join and just go through your back office, you're going to set things up. Here's the home page, your membership. You can join by the month or by the year. Your info, your order history. Okay, my team. I've already had people sign up. I just barely did this. I just threw up a couple of videos, and I've already had, I think, 3 people sign up. That's pretty cool. Okay, the leaderboard's going well. All the leaders of LiveGood, they're hurrying and scrambling and joining as fast as they can, and they're going to try to move everybody from LiveGood into Save Club, and that's smart. All right, I'm going to do the same thing, and I hope you do exactly what I do. Make it simple and fun. Okay, my websites. Websites are already made for you, just like LiveGood. And sorry if I reference LiveGood a lot, okay, because if you have no idea what LiveGood is, don't worry about it. But it's a very successful online business. 2-year mark at 2 million people. That's impressive. Over 200 countries. Guys, this is the same exact opportunity, except 2 years later, fresher. We're on our 6th day. Okay. and you got some websites here that you can promote. Just go ahead and click that link if you want. This is how I'm signing everybody up. It's called the Powerline landing page. Okay, so all I do is invite people to Save Club Tour and that /Cory Draper. And guess what? It takes you right to this page right here. Okay, and I make it simple by, boom, ilovesaveclub.com, and I forward it. Okay, right to my Powerline landing page. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to do some fun videos on YouTube every day about this. I'm going to dominate YouTube just like I do in everything that I like to participate in. But yeah, you're going to see my smiling face. Just go ahead and Google Save Club Cory Draper right now, and you can see my smiling little bright little big nose is just smiling at you. Okay, so go ahead, just go through, check out. Look, here's, I don't even know countries, to be honest. I know America. That one could be Mexico for all I know, or Argentina or Spain. That one there with, is that a bear and a yellow and a red stripe? I don't know what that's probably the North Pole with Santa. But look at every minute someone's signing up. Look, 11, 20, 21, 21, 21, 22. Every 30 seconds, people signing up worldwide, not just across the street. So if you hurry and do what I do, make things fun, go ahead and invite people to a link. In my case, ilovesaveclub.com, and just have fun, guys. All right, you can see the pay plan. You're going to invite people. All right, how do you get paid, Cory? How do you get paid? Guys, I'm just going to tell you to go to the pay plan and watch the video, watch the webinar. All right, there's going to be a lot of hype. There's going to be a lot of, is this a scam? There's going to be a lot of reviews. Is it a pyramid scheme? No, 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 no. It's just not. All right. Proof is LiveGood. It's one of the top rated companies in the United States. They're in Florida, which is extremely strict when it comes down to any online business. And right now, guys, like I said, the template, the website, the credit card processing, everything is leased from LiveGood. All right. We only do things top shelf. And I think that Save Club has a better opportunity of exploding growth in the United States because Americans just love to shop. Mexico. How about those Canadians up there? All right. Do you guys like beer? How about Scotland, Ireland? Anywhere on planet Earth, people like to save money. And proof is just looking at that counter. Every 30 seconds, someone around the world is joining. And right now, it's only about 6 days in, guys. You need to join now. Please don't wait and screw off. Okay, I've got so many people in my LiveGood business. They join and they do save on the products, but they want to earn money too. But I want you to do the same effort like this, but I want you to earn big chunks. Okay? Because in my opinion, and I'm pretty good at this now after 2 years, it takes me the same effort to do a 10-minute video like this as it does to make $10, as it does to make $900 a day. I'm very comfortable right now with my multiple businesses where I make about $1,000 a day. And guess what? All I do is just screw off and make a video like this, or I use a video already made. I post it on TikTok, Instagram. I put it on Facebook. I make business cards and I hand them out. Okay, here's this. I haven't received these business cards yet, but I just designed them. I go to Vistaprint. That's it. That's $20 for these cards. Okay, and they look good. All right, they look good. I rounded the corners for like 25 cents. I put a red background. All my business cards are the same. ilovesaveclub.com info. If you need it from me, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I've had the same email for 35 years. Okay, and that's it. The back of the business card's white. I keep things as cheap as possible, but the reason I like business cards, because people will run into me. It could be at the gym, at the store, screwing off at a car show. Cory, what's this Save Club thing? Is it a gimmick? Is it some bull crap that's 10, 20, 30 years ago? No, it's not. Please go to ilovesaveclub.com and just please watch the video. Lock in your name. Even if you don't plan on joining, just lock in and get information. That way, down the road, if you do want to log in, you can hurry and pay. Get yourself a username, password. Go ahead and set up your bank how you want to get paid every week. Or if you want to, buy some products or something, it's up to you. Okay, but it all starts with clicking something. All right, who do you love? All right, you love Save Club, don't you? Okay, guys, thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and I'm going to send you an email if you go ahead and pre-enroll or join. Okay, because I have some nice webinars I want you to watch. All right, that's going to give you a head start when it comes down to recruiting and what to do when you want to promote this Save Club thing. Okay? All right, guys, peace and love. I'll talk to you next video.